Hey everyone, happy First Friday. I am Beth-Ann Wilson from Night Owl Gallery, and today I am going to show you how to make a very simple sangria recipe. For this recipe, you are going to need a bottle of red wine, dry red wine, preferably from Spain, but we have some delicious organic red wine from Argentina. This is from Domaine Bousquet. It's just a red blend, perfect for making our sangria. A little bit of brandy, some Grand Marnier or triple sec, some fresh cut fruit. Today we're using apples and mandarins. Some fresh squeezed juice. This is mandarin juice. You could use orange juice, works just as well. And some simple syrup. And because this is a batch cocktail, we are going to use a pitcher to build our drink, and then we are going to refrigerate this overnight. So let's get started. We're going to start off with a half cup of brandy. This is actually Courvoisier, which is a cognac. So a half cup of that. To use a quarter cup of Grand Marnier or triple sec. You might need to adjust this, so maybe like a little bit less Grand Marnier, a little bit more if you're going to use triple sec, because Grand Marnier is very sweet, probably sweet enough. And then we are going to go for a quarter cup, which I've already measured out, a quarter cup of simple syrup. And I have right here a link to how to make simple syrup. It's very easy. It's just equal parts sugar and water, and you're going to bring that to a boil on the stove, but I have directions on how to make that there. And then 3/4 of a cup to a cup of fresh squeezed orange juice. I used mandarin juice, little cuties. I love to eat them, and I had them on hand. There's no seeds, so they're perfect for squeezing. So pour that right into our pitcher. Then we are going to add a whole bottle of red wine. Just a little tip. Leave a little teeny bit in the bottle, because a lot of times there will be some sediment, like grape skins and other types of debris that you don't want that in your drink. You don't want to drink it. So just and actually this thing that's called a punt is kind of I've heard that that's kind of there to collect that debris. So we have everything mixed in there. We're going to add our fresh cut fruit. So I have a bunch of organic Gala apples and some more of those mandarins that we put them everywhere. Probably just use my fingers. And a bunch of those mandarins that I'd squeezed for the juice. And just gonna fill that up. Give that a stir, and we're gonna leave that in the refrigerator overnight, and that's gonna kind of get everything all macerated and delicious. Looks really good already. Through the magic of television or YouTube, our sangria has sat overnight, maybe, and I look exactly the same as when I did before. When I was making it. So after your sangria sits overnight, I'm gonna fill a glass with ice. And add some fresh fruit, fresher than the fruit that the sangria has been sitting in, or that's been sitting in the sangria. And top that off. now I hope you guys are ready to sit back, relax, and enjoy some art. Cheers.